the smartphone space, in large part because they were first, but also because they had combined both the application processor and the modem. Intel is finally, with some of these announcements, also combining an application processor with the latest generation modems, or at least later this year. Do you think that you'll be able to steal meaningful share in the smartphone space, not just some of the phablets and tablets we see here?
Sure. So I just want to correct one thing you said, shipping later. We're shipping the 3G modem today in a fully integrated SoC. LTE coming later this year. But fair enough, let's go back to the root of your question. A year ago, a little bit more than a year ago, we were completely absent from the tablet market. And I stood on stage and said we would ship 40 million tablets and we would become one of the big players in the tablet space. I think a lot of people looked skeptically at us and said, I'm not so sure. We did that. And I believe with products like we demonstrate here, the Venue 8 and the Venue 10, we've actually shown that we can innovate. That it's more than just providing a product and getting into market. I think that if you can't show that you can move into a leadership position around innovation, then you won't be there for very long, or you won't be there very effectively. So we've shown it in tablets. We are late, and I believe phones, more than tablets, had to have that integrated part. We moved fairly quickly. A year ago, I couldn't have told you, a little bit more than a year ago, that we had even a roadmap in the near future for an integrated part. Sophia was a great effort by a bunch of creative engineers that delivered that, so we're done there. We're starting to produce parts. We've also, you've seen partnerships with Rockchip and Spreadtrum help us with the fastest growing, largest cell phone market in the world, China. They have channels, they're going to have much more connection to partners. It'll probably take a little bit longer than it has with tablets to get there, but I think that same model of getting in, showing innovation, moving with good partners, yes, we can show a good presence. You know, that phone business, do I have to be the leader there? Not sure. Do I need to help shape that and be considered a player and drive the innovation? I believe we can do that, yes.